Hello, welcome to part 63 of this Airbnb clone Ruby on Rails series. And in last video, we worked on showing reservations and payments. Now, before I continue on this part, I have a couple of fixes that I want to do. So first one is this one. There is an empty space here, so let's go and fix that. So this is part of properties, right? So let's go to app, view, properties, model, show. Okay, we have this booking component, we have this property info, image. Okay, I think property name is this. Okay, so this one is first. Let me add a comment here. Okay, and this booking component and this description. We want description here along with these linings. So let's copy this. I'm just copying this, not removing it from here. And it's part of a span, so I think it should go below this. Refresh looks correct. Sorry. Yeah, looks correct, but there's too much space. And even this one is duplicate, so let's get rid of it. Let's copy this comment, get rid of this. We don't need this now. Add this comment here. Looks better, but there's still empty space. So what should I do? Let's try one thing. Otherwise, I have two solutions in mind. One is we can increase this text size so that it will look fine. And because this will always be a fixed height, it should work. But I'm trying to fix the what are these amenities here so that it covers up this empty space also. So for that, I'll have to transfer that in my div. This is the div that I had started. Refresh. Looks good, but the spacing is issue. Divider. Add margin bottom 12. No, looks a bit more. Not sure. Okay, this looks fine to me. But then there is height issue. Why is that? Let's go to booking component. Adding these comments, obviously we can create more partials here, but adding these comments also helps a lot. It, it's really important, and it's better to do it while writing code only. Okay, I think it's because of this. Nope. Yeah, it worked. So this one looks a bit more better to me. Yes, this one looks better. So we have fixed this. The second thing that I want to fix is this header image. So for that, we'll go to layouts header. This is the image that we have been using. So it should work like this. Yeah, I'm sure, but I'm just writing it down. First, we'll check whether the user is signed in or not. If they are signed in, we'll show their profile picture. If they are not signed in, we'll show some default image. So for that, if if you remember in device, we have this method, user signed in. In that case, I'll copy this for now. Obviously, this is incorrect. We cannot use this image. This is a person. We cannot use it. But let's keep it for now. And if user is signed in, then we can use Ruby image tag followed by the image that we want to use, which is current user dot, let me check. Current user, it's a user model related thing, right? So we'll go to our models user, and in that we have has one attached picture. So the name is picture, and we can use this class. Let's refresh. Looks good. The image has changed, but the main test is in. Okay, this is the default image. So we can fix this first. For that, we can go to hero icons. I prefer going to hero icons because we are using Tailwind, and Tailwind, this hero icons is created by Tailwind only, if I'm correct. Yeah, it has been created by Tailwind series only. So the compatibility is a bit better. We need profile image. We can use this image, copy SVG. Instead of this, I'll use, sorry, yep. Let's fix the indentation. Let's break it into multiple lines so that we can make it more Tailwind compatible. Or it's fine. We don't need to make it more Tailwind compatible. We can just copy and paste this. Sorry. Copy this, go to incognito, and it looks like this. For now, it's fine. You can decide this on your own. There's one more check I should add, which is what if there is no profile picture? So in that case, we can check. So for example, user is signed in, then only this case will get called. So if user is signed in, that means current user does exist. So we don't need to add any extra check here. Current user dot picture picture dot nil. If it is not nil, then we want to show this. Yeah. Uh, let's go to model. To test this, has one attached picture. To test this, what can I do? Let me change the database itself. So for that, okay, no worries. Rails console user dot first. Okay, no worries. I think it's fine. You can test it by removing the user or by creating a new user for which there should be no image. Let Okay, let's do that only. Sign up test4 at the gmail.com 123456. Sign up. Already created, so 44 123456. Sign up. Okay, 6 errors prohibited. Okay, while creating this form, we had used only email and password. So we will have to add these details also. No worries, I'll add these details in next video. So in that we will check this. So in this video, there were two minor issues that we have fixed. One is the UI related part for this page. and it looks a bit better basically. And this header related part. In next video, before I have to come to this, I'll again have to go to our sign up page because as you saw, we had not added the sign up page details correctly. So we'll add those details and then we'll finish the sign up page. Uh, in login, it should work, right? Yeah, login is working. We just have to fix the sign up page, which is straightforward. It's not that hard. So we'll fix that. Uh, and by the way, we had made this change of profile a lot back. So if no one has complained about this, I'm a bit like it looks shady to me. Like someone should have reported this error. No worries. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.